Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are going to solve one more interesting problem from Codechef, which is decrement or increment. So let's begin this by reading the problem. Coming to the problem, we have to write a program to obtain a number n and increment its value by 1 if the number is divisible by 4. Otherwise, decrement its value by 1. So all we need to do is to increment the number value by 1 if it is divisible by 4, and we are going to decrement its value by 1 if it is not divisible by 4. Coming to the input, first line will contain a number n. Okay. Coming to the output is single line, the new value of the number. Coming to the constraints, here n ranges from 0 to 1000, and if we observe the sample input, the value of n is 5. Since n is not divisible by 4, we are decrementing its value by 1, so the output will be 4. For example, if we take 16 here, and since 16 is divisible by 4, we have to increment its value by 1, so the output will be 17. Let's write code for it. It's very easy, right? Coming to the coding part, here we do not have any test cases, so we are not going to take test cases as input. We are just going to take n as input, so n equal to int of input, and all we need to do is to check whether n is divisible by 4 or not. If n is divisible by 4, we are going to increment n value by 1, so print n plus 1, else print n minus 1. So this is all. I think it's not visible. I hope you can see this. So we took n as input, and we are just checking whether n is divisible by 4 or not. If n is divisible by 4, we are incrementing its value by 1. If it is not, then we are decrementing its value by 1. Let's test it by giving custom input. Okay. Yeah, the output is 4. For example, if we give 16 here, the output will be 17. Yes. Let's submit the code. It's taking too much time. Yes, it is taking too much time. Let's wait for it to complete it. Yeah, done. So I refreshed it, so that's why the code has gone. It's fine. Okay, so if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, you can ping me on Instagram, and if you feel it difficult to understand, let me know by comments. And if you like the video, then hit that cute little like button, because that motivates me to make more interesting technical stuff for you. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.